Good morning. Today I'm going to read to you a book called We All Sing with the Same Voice. The author is Philip Miller and Shepard Green, and it's illustrated by Paul Meisel. My hair is black and red. My hair is yellow. My eyes are brown and green and blue. My name is Jack and Fred. My name's Amanda Sue, and I'm Kareem Abdul. My name is you. I live in southern France. I'm from a Texas ranch. I come from Mecca and Peru. I live across the street, in the mountains and on the beach. I come from everywhere, and my name is you. Look at all the differences. Everyone looks different, but we all have so many things that are in common. We all sing in the same voice, the same song, the same voice. We all sing with the same voice. We all sing in harmony. Sometimes I get mad and mean. Sometimes I feel happy. And when I want to cry, I do. And when I'm by myself at night, and when I hold my teddy tight until the morning light, my name is you. I have sisters 1, 2, 3. In my family, there's just me. I've got one daddy, and I've got 2. Grandpa helps me across the street. My cat walks on furry feet. I love my parakeet. My name is you. We all sing with the same voice, the same song, the same voice. We all sing with the same voice, and we sing in harmony. I like to run and climb. I like to sit and read. I like to watch my TV, too. And when it's time for bed, I like my stories read, sweet dreams and love you said. My name is you. We all sing with the same voice, the same song, the same voice. We all sing with the same voice, and we all sing in harmony. So this is actually a song, I believe, that was sang on Sesame Street. So I'm going to go ahead and try and find the video on YouTube and attach that as well so you guys can see that. So I hope you guys have a great day and that you guys find something fun to do today and find some things that are the same and different between you and maybe your brother or sisters that are there with you. Have a great day, and we'll see you soon.